Using a sugar-free simple syrup made from stevia in cocktails offers several advantages over a traditional sugar-based simple syrup. Here's a breakdown of the benefits. 1. Reduced calorie content. Stevia-based syrups are calorie-free or very low in calories, making them an excellent choice for those watching their caloric intake or following a low-calorie diet. 2. Suitable for special diets. Diabetic-friendly, stevia doesn't affect blood sugar levels, making it a safer option for people with diabetes. Keto and low-carb diets. Stevia is a carb-free sweetener, aligning with ketogenic and low-carbohydrate lifestyles. 3. Natural sweetener alternative. Stevia is derived from the leaves of the Stevia rebaudiana plant, offering a more natural sweetening option compared to synthetic sweeteners. 4. Stable in heat and acidic conditions. Stevia remains stable under heat, making it a good choice for cocktails that involve warm or hot ingredients. It also performs well in acidic environments like those found in citrus-heavy cocktails. 5. Intense sweetness means less is needed. Stevia is significantly sweeter than sugar, 200 to 300 times sweeter, so less product is needed to achieve the desired sweetness, potentially reducing the volume of syrup required in recipes. 6. Longer shelf life. Sugar-based syrups can ferment or grow mold over time, but stevia-based syrups tend to have a longer shelf life since they do not provide the same environment for microbial growth. 7. Supports health goals. Using stevia in cocktails can help reduce overall sugar consumption, aligning with health-conscious choices or dietary restrictions. 8. Lighter mouthfeel. Sugar syrups can add viscosity to a cocktail, which may not always be desirable. Stevia syrups tend to have a lighter texture, which can be preferred in some drinks. Considerations. While stevia offers many advantages, it's worth noting that it has a distinctive taste that some people may perceive as bitter or licorice-like. Experimentation with the right balance is key to creating cocktails where stevia complements the flavors. How to make a sugar-free 2-1 simple syrup. 1. Add 1 cup of stevia to a pot. 2. Pour in ½ cup of boiling water. 3. Mix on low heat until the liquid becomes clear. 4. Ensure all grains on the sides of the pan are fully dissolved. 5. Pour the syrup into a clean bottle and let it cool. This sugar-free simple syrup is perfect for cocktails like Pineapple Express, French Maid, Strawberry Daiquiri, Scorpion Bowl. Find these cocktail recipes and more on the Brewing With The Captain YouTube channel.